Hey guys, I'm back. Yeah, I say this every week. It will be choppy until the end of April, and then they'll be done. And I'll be posting a lot more. I've got so much ideas to post, and so much video ideas, but I just don't have a lot of time to do them now. I've got exams and coursework to hand in and stuff. Always the last month is a nightmare for uni. I will promise to be uploading more after it's due, because I have so much ideas I want to get out to you guys. But I'm bringing, this is my top 3 sneaker releases of February. Very late on this one, and then March will come soon. I'll have March up probably next week, hopefully. I know it's very late, I apologise, but it's here now. So yeah, let's jump into it. The Air Jordan 1 Women's Chill Blue, which is here. The colourway based on the silhouette that was started in 1985, honouring Michael Jordan's beginnings at North Carolina. The upper is flooded in patent leather, and the blue chill colourway comes from a twist on North Carolina blue. This shoe was released on February 14th for $139.95, released in the UK. Not a bad price for a pair of insane shoes. Obviously they were women's, so that caused a lot of people not to pick them up, but they were insane. I kind of wish I picked them up. I was going to, but I genuinely just didn't. I regret it now because it's so insane. I think I might pick them up at StockX in the upcoming month, or somewhere I can pick them up. I might try and pick them up soon because they are insane. Next, well, I mean, you can't have a list without OffWhite, can you? Next is the OffWhite Night Air Max 90s Desert Ores. See them here. They came in the black and the Desert Ores, although I'd like the Desert Ores a lot more. They have the deconstructed theme, just like any off-white shoe. They have the ghostly, it's like a ghostly colourway. It has a translucent midsole on them. Also comes with the orange tick with the blue tab above that tick there, and it comes with a light blue zip tie that has come with all off-white shoes. It's just the final touches are insane, all of it. This was released on 7th of February. This was a Thursday, and it released for £140. I just love all off-white shoes. Call me a hype beast. Virgil is insane when it comes to designing stuff. Obviously it goes with the deconstructed theme, but I just love everything it does with shoes. Next we have the honourable mentions. Some of you guys might throw hate towards me at this, but the Nathan Bell Night Fly Zooms, as you can see them here. These are still available on like N Clothing and stuff if you want to pick them up. They're insane. In a collab with Nathan Bell, he designed onto the sporty Zoom Fly a pink upsole, pink midsole with black almost markings around the shoe. I'll show you some in detail shots. This gained a lot of controversy as 2 Chainz came out and said that he was inspired by his album cover for his 2017 LP, Pretty Girls Like Trap Music. Although you can see some resemblance in the album cover, you can see the album cover has like a pink theme with the dark house in the middle, but then a lot of people went towards 2 Chainz' side and said that although yeah, Nathan Bell had designed them, he kind of had a lot of inspiration. And I do believe he had inspiration. For how much, I don't know. No one really came out and said anything. But they came out on the 14th of February for $149. You can still pick them up in End. I'll leave a link in the description below if you guys want to pick them up. Lastly, number 1 is the Air Jordan Turbo Greens. These came in the 1 silhouette. I cannot believe I did not cop these. These are insane. Although they didn't reach too far over retail for resale, they're still going for a bit. Nice shoe. I did go for them, but I didn't get them. Nike Sneakers hates me. Opting to borrow the classic colour blocking of the Jordan 1. The Turbo Green has a white leather base with a suede overlay, with the SB19 Air Jordan 1 High OG branding on the side. Combined with the Jordans being hyped and with a clean design, tops Jordan due to the fact that it's so clean, it's a nice colourway. The green they used on it is insane, it just fits so well. The amount of fits I've seen on Instagram after they came out, it just made me even more jealous. These came out on the 15th of February for £130. As I said, I haven't caught them, but you can still cop them down in StockX. and I generally might either do these or the women's blue chill hopefully next month or the month after that. Wait and see if they come down a bit. So annoyed I didn't get them. But yeah guys, sorry about the wait. Hopefully I'll have another video out next week, and then it might be weekly or 2 weekly until the end of April, and then I'll be back on the grind. It's just a uni takes a lot of time and I don't have a lot as it is. So thank you guys for watching the video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. If you didn't, dislike it, tell me why. It always helps to know what could be improved on. I'm still trying to work on the camera quality. It's getting a bit better, but we're getting there. So if you guys like, subscribe, comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.